Once again po, my name is Miss Mako from Royal Touch Catering Services. Ayan. So, again, kami pong official Facebook ay Royal Touch Catering Services. And by the way, mga sir and ma'am, Miss Mako, tabot kamay na pangarap po. September 22 episode. September 21 and 22 episode. Sarah Jillian Ward, Carmina Villarreal. Stream niyo po sa YouTube, 2.4 million and 2.3 million views. Facebook Reel, 7,800 views. Coming soon po ang anak, Jimmy, Prime Starry, Jasmine Curtis Smith, River Cruz, Liza Lopez, and coming soon din sa Pipito Manaloco, starring Michael B. Orbitoy. Ayan, 7 po yan, 7 p.m., GMA 7 na.